Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about some general characters of cyanobacteria and blue-green algae. So the first character of cyanobacteria is it is prokaryotic cell, or you can say prokaryotic organism. So here true nucleus is absent. True nucleus and also membrane bound organelles are both true nucleus and membrane bound organelles are absent. So first, second character is it is unicellular organism, but it can exist singly or in colony. So in colony, its colony may be filamentous type or non-filamentous type. It is a unicellular organism. It can exist singly or in colony. Colony may be filamentous type, and this type of colony may exist, or colony may be non-filamentous like this. So here the third character is in cyanobacteria, flagella is completely lacking, means flagella is absent. So here in case of cyanobacteria, movement occurs through gliding mode, or it may be jerky type. So movement here occurs through gliding mode or jerky type because flagella is completely absent. And the next character of cyanobacteria is cyanophycean reserve food material. So here reserve food material is cyanophycean starch. In cyanobacteria, plastid are absent. Plastid, or you can say specific type of plastid, that is chloroplast. Chloroplast is absent because chloroplast is a membrane bound organelle and it is prokaryotic cell. So here membrane bound organelles are absent. Because it is photosynthetic, cyanobacteria are photosynthetic, so pigments are present in only thylakoids. Only thylakoids are there, and in these thylakoid photosynthetic pigments are present. Which type of photosynthetic pigments are present in cyanobacteria? Here chlorophyll A, C phycocyanin, C phycoerythrin, and carotenoids. So these type of pigments are present in cyanobacteria, and these pigments are present in thylakoids. Only thylakoids are there. Chloroplast is absent. So here in case of cyanobacteria, reproduction occurs through vegetative or asexual mode. Means sexual reproduction here is absent. But in case of nostoc and Anabaena, genetic recombination like conjugation, transduction, transformation have been reported. And the last character of this cyanobacteria is presence of specialized cell. So In some cyanobacteria, for example, nostoc, some specialized thick-walled, pale yellow colored cells are present, and these cells are called heterocyst. Heterocyst. These are meant for nitrogen fixation. So these are general character of a bacteria, cyanobacteria. So cyanobacteria is a photosynthetic bacteria. It is, first character is, it is prokaryotic organism, means it do not have true nucleus and membrane bound organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body. These all membrane bound organelles are absent in case of cyanobacteria. It is a unicellular organism. It may occur singly or may occur in colony. In colony may be filamentous type, it may be filament-like, or non-filamentous, it may be non-filamentous type. Flagella. Flagella is completely absent in case of cyanobacteria, even in reproductive cells. Flagella is absent. So here flagella is completely absent. So locomotion occur through gliding mode or jerky type of locomotion occur there. Reserve food material is cyanophycean starch. Plastid, we know that plastid is absent. So thylakoids are present, and inside thylakoid photosynthetic pigments are present. So photosynthesis occur in these thylakoids. Which type of pigment are there? Chlorophyll A, C-phycocyanin, C-phycoerythrin, and carotenoids. These pigments are present in cyanobacteria. Reproductions occurs through vegetative or asexual mode. Sexual mode of reproduction is absent. However, in nostoc and Anabaena, genetic recombination have been reported, and some special thick-walled pale yellow colored cells are present in some cyanobacteria. For example, in nostoc, these structures are called heterocyst. So these are the general character of cyanobacteria.